Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. So as the title suggests, will the sellers have an opportunity next week? Exclamation, question mark. We're going to explore that in this video in terms of what I'm looking for in order to determine whether or not the sellers will in fact have an opportunity or will the markets continue higher. We're going to explore that between the NASDAQ 100 and look at the S&P 500. And those are just the two that we're going to explore to determine the seller's opportunity next week. We also have a bonus towards the end of the video, a potential short incoming for you if you want to stick around for that. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action only. Let's go ahead and dive, welcome in new subscribers as well. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today's August the 20th, 2021, and the current price of NASDAQ, we'll start with NASDAQ, $15,067.14, slightly positive 0.89% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, welcome back. ASMR, interesting analysis. So I'm going to pull up the blueprint, so to speak. We're going to take a look at the 3-day candles, and I'm going to explain exactly what must take place in order for me to understand the potential next story here in the market. So here's the levels. Okay, so the NASDAQ. All right, so basically by today, let's actually pull up the daily candles. So on today's date, August the 20th, 2021, if the market does not close above this red line right here that I have on the chart, which is $15,088, if it does not close above that level today, then I'm looking for a move to the downside next week. I'm not sure if it's going to be an insta drop. All right, don't patent that, guys. I didn't patent that. Okay, somebody probably already has that, right? I'm not sure if it's going to be a quick move down, or if it would kind of be a slow, methodical, as they're buying the asset over the course of next week. And remember, this is not guaranteed to actually play out. So, of course, take this as education only. But that's what I'm looking for, guys. If it doesn't close above the 1588, it's pretty cut and dry. I'm looking for a conservative move down to about 14860. Okay, so from the current level to the 14860 is going to be about 1.3% to the downside. Okay, of course, I would play this, and of course, just according to what I'm saying, I know a lot of people like you guys want to know where we're entering. I'll just give you a hint, guys. We don't enter puts on a negative day. So if we were to enter a put, ideally it would be today. But again, I'm looking for it to close today below this specific level. If it does not close today on August the 20th, 2021, below this level, I don't know how to interpret the next move. But if it closes below this level, I have a better understanding of the next move. Okay, hopefully we're clear about that. Let's take it on over to the S&P 500. All right, and that's going to be SPX. First one is going to be NDX. Okay, I kind of did that backwards, right? All right, the current price of the S&P 500 is going to be $4,441.02, slightly positive 0.5% for the day. Okay. All right, so the same thing with the the S&P 500. I would like to see a close, well, preferably, a really nice close just below this level. I want the markets to continue to slowly push higher all day and close just below the $4,456 level for the S&P 500. And this would lead me to believe, I could be wrong, okay, that we should see a insta drop next week or a slow methodical move down over the course of next week. Okay, whether it's going to happen, like I say, guys, fast, or if the market's going to get bought up. Here's a level down here at about $4,392. All right, so from the current level down to that level on the S&P 500, 1% to the downside. If I had to say, choose one that I was a little bit more confident in the move to the downside, that would actually be the S&P 500. I'm seeing this is just a conservative move down for the S&P 500, $4,392. So if you're watching this on Monday morning and you're going to ask, is it too late to get in? I'm not sure, guys. This is why hopefully we post this video out today before the market closes. And this way you guys will be fully informed to make your own decisions in the market. But again, we don't recommend using this as financial advice. All right. So the bonus, we'll get to the bonus. Hopefully you guys caught those levels. We're just looking for a close below that red line to move down to the green line. These are put opportunities for the sellers. Okay, no bulls on this video. Okay, with all due respect. Here's a bonus. I've been actually looking at NUE, New Core Corporation or something like that. Remember, guys, I've never looked at these companies. I have no clue what these companies are. This is a potential short. But one thing that I will say is, so far it's not behaving the way that I want it to behave. They haven't turned on the green light. I think it's like after 1 p.m. right now, Eastern Standard Time, and they don't have the green light on. So I still do think that even if they don't turn the green light on, although I'd prefer for them to turn the green light on. If you're new, you're like, what do you mean the green light? What is that? Just, have it a positive fluctuating in the price, just a positive daily close today. Okay, but I like to see it hold. That helps me have a better understanding of my next move against the market. Okay, and we have been following this for some time. If I just kind of back out, we have like multiple levels. We've been following it for some time, and right now we see an opportunity to the downside. Again, if they turn that light on. So I'll probably just enter literally just like one contract just to see what's going to happen. The conservative price target would be the previous level of resistance as usual. It's going to be $110. If it actually breaks through this level, wow, that would be pretty interesting as well. Pardon me there. I'm not sure if that's actually going to happen, but I will take my conservative play out of the market if it goes down to $110. It's about a 5% move to the downside. It's a really nice move. This move will be played with an option or more if it can set up the way that I would like for it to move. Now, let's just say Monday morning you're watching this and you're like, yeah, Napoleon, man, you need to just make accurate calls. You see the market pushing up, okay? Basically, what you're looking for is if it does not make a new high. Remember what the name of the game, right? A new high, higher than the previous swing high. $126. So I'm actually expecting a move higher if the market stays red all day. If that makes sense. Okay, so if it stays red all day, I'm expecting a move higher at least Monday morning, a potential push to the upside. Remember, my bias is to the downside, one way or the other, however this plays out today or Monday. All right, slight push higher. If it makes a lower high, lower than $126, yeah, I'm at least expecting the market to have a conservative. Same thing, guys. $110. Ignore the 99, guys. It's $110 at this green line right here. Okay, maybe I should just put that because I want everyone to get the information right. 110. All right, perfect. That didn't hurt. So that's the end of the video. You have everything. Some are gonna ask, have I entered? I have not entered yet. I'm still trying to wait till they turn the green light on, but I'll just enter a contract just before the close. Just whatever. All right, so go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video. And the time frame is 2 weeks. If it takes longer than 2 weeks, I'm out of the market. But yeah, my time frame on this is 2 weeks, guys, up to 3 weeks. All right. So go ahead again, leave an appropriate thumb just below the video. If you enjoyed the content, leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, we cover the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it is available. Appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping out. Execute your strategies, positive energy. Let it flow within you, not through you. Let it flow within you. Okay. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.